my shabby chic princess inspired home tour. I am so excited to share this video with you. Today I wanted to share a little tour of our new home. This is my little bedroom. This is my vanity. I just love how it turned out. I added some beautiful pieces on my vanity and some pretty florals. This is our ensuite bathroom. I just love to display all my favorite beauty products. These are all my favorite beauty products that I love to use. And these are all my favorite hair products and my favorite Love Shack Fancy perfume. I just love all the details. Everything looks so pretty. This is my little nightstand that I've decorated. I just love all the pretty details. And I just love to light some candles in my bedroom. This is my favorite view from our bedroom. It's our bed and some flowers and a beautiful little window that I love so much. I just love all the pretty shabby chic details. This is my shabby chic bedding. I love pretty ruffles and pretty florals. I just love all these pretty shabby chic details in our new bedroom. I also added some beautiful flowers. I just love to add some flowers to our bedroom. I think it looks so pretty. I just love to decorate our bed with some pretty pillows and to have a delicious cup of tea in my favorite little teacup. I also love to read and write in my diary and to add some beautiful flowers. My favorite Love Shack Fancy pillows. I think they're so pretty with the ruffles and the little heart shapes. My favorite teacup and my favorite teapots and some delicious chocolates from Madurai. I just love all these pretty details with the little pink florals. I am so in love with our new bedroom. I think it looks so pretty and white and light, and yeah, I'm just so in love with our new home. And I love all the pretty pink shabby chic details. I also love to make myself a delicious cup of tea. This is our new kitchen. I just love all the whites. I picked all white decor, which looks so pretty. I also added some beautiful flowers and some tea. I love to make myself some tea in our new kitchen. And some beautiful hydrangeas. I just love all the pretty details of this kitchen. And I also added some pretty flowers to make it look really pretty and shabby chic. These are all my favorite mugs and my favorite china pieces. I also have some Christmas mugs, which are so adorable. I love to make myself a delicious hot chocolate in my favorite little mug. And of course a delicious cup of tea in my beautiful kitchen. I found this really adorable soap dispenser from Primark, and I think it looks so pretty in our kitchen. Some pretty flowers, and I love to make myself a delicious hot chocolate. So this was my video. I hope I can inspire you. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you very soon with some new inspiration. Thank you so much. Bye.